Hi guys, let's have a look at a pentagon construction. Remember, this is a five-sided shape. Five-sided shape. All sides must be equal. Okay. Our construction generally starts something like this. Usually you will be given a line segment of an indeterminate length. Okay, I'm going to put that line segment down here. Let's just call this line segment AB. Right. You may not be told how long it is. You'll just be given the segment. You need to use your compass and ruler in order to construct the set number of steps. It'll give you a pentagon at the end, a five-sided shape. So using line AB, the first thing we do is we bisect line AB, which means we divide it perfectly in half, and we divide it at 90 degrees. We'll start by putting our compass at A, going more than half, and remember, I'm just guessing, right? Let's just say it's about there, and we're going to arc down over here, and we're going to find a point somewhere down here. We'll switch the compass around, put it now at B, and arc down over here. Remember, we'll be arcing up here as well, and up from our A, arcing up there as well, so that we can bisect AB perfectly in line, which creates line CD. Okay, I'm just going to try and neaten that up so it's not so confusing. Okay, right. So we now have line A. We now have line CD. Okay, it is a perfect bisector. It is at 90 degrees and it divides line AB perfectly in half. Right. The next step is to put your compass at point E and arc up the distance of AB. Right. So we need to put our pin at A, stretch it to B, take that distance, put our pin at E, and mark off the distance up there to create a new point F. Right. So let's just get rid of these arrows so we can carry on. Okay, we have our new point F. Okay. Next step would be to take a brand new line from point A through point F, light construction line as long as we can take it. Right, now using line AF, we're going to now mark off distance AE using our compass. Right, so we're going to mark off the distance by putting our pin at A, moving to E. We're going to mark that distance off from point F to point G. Right, now point GF will be the same distance as point AE. We're just going to mark it off on there. Okay. Right. The next step now is to widen our compass. What we want to do is we want to put our compass again at A, then stretch it all the way to G. It's going to be quite big, and then we're going to arc around until we hit line CE and create a new point K. Let's just neaten up that K a little bit. Okay, we're going to create point K. Okay, point K is our first useful point. It is the top of our pentagon. So all we need to do now is throw in a couple of sides, use K as the top of our pentagon, and we should have a perfect pentagon construction. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our compass once again. We're going to start at A. We're going to go all the way to B because that's the length of one of our sides. We'll keep our compass pin at A and we'll create a little arc over here. So the compass will arc, but we won't show the arc. We'll just show that little portion of the arc there. Then we'll switch it round. We'll put our pin at B over here, stretch it to the distance of A, and right, we'll arc round over there. Right. 2 more points and we'll be finished. We move our pin now to K and we provide a small arc over here. We switch it round and a small arc that creates L, M. Point M, whoa, point L, okay, by joining the remaining sides, okay, starting at point K, going to L, going back to A. We don't need to draw AB, it's already in there. Going back up to point M and back up to point K. But you can see that we've got our pentagon complete. Be careful that none of these sides are squashed and that it all looks equal to you. You should be able to rotate your pentagon around and you should see that it looks equal from all sides and that all sides are the same length as AB. Great. Hope that makes it a little bit easier.